just reinstalled a new antenna mast for this 9092 Lexus LS 400. Power antenna. There it is. Let's go. Good stuff. Yeah, I had originally purchased for the customer an antenna that I got off of Amazon. That one didn't work, wouldn't catch. Pretty sure it's because of the plastic teeth that allowed it to draw it into the motor. We're not making contact. So yeah, went and got another one off of carparts.com, I believe, or Parts Geek, one of the two. It was Parts Geek. And that one worked flawlessly. So do that again. Yeah, there we go. Pretty simple install.